What do you do when you have tomatoes that are soon to be going bad and you have fresh garlic that needs to be used? We are going to make stewed tomatoes, and then I will freeze them and I can use them in frittatas, soups, as a spread on toast with avocado. So many wonderful uses, and you can put them in the freezer. Yes, the freezer is your new best friend for produce that is lingering. And we have stewed tomatoes. Yummy! I can freeze them and use them on like homemade pizzas. Whatever. Yum! Stewed tomatoes.